So as you can see, they are very pigmented, very pretty. A few of them, I did like a couple swatches just so you can see the true pigmentation of these shadows. Some of the shimmers do have a lot of fallout. As you can kind of see, these ones here have like more fallout. And then I like that this is kind of like a dark black brown. But yeah, some of the mattes have fallout and are a little powdery, but for the most part, overall, it's a really beautiful palette. I've been using it every day for a couple days now, and I absolutely love it. And I think that it's just a gorgeous palette, and you can create mini looks with this palette. It's so pretty. Okay, so I just have my lips moisturized with this LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter lip gloss. I absolutely love this, and it's like $2, you guys. I don't know why, but when you put like a lip gloss or like a moisturizing chapstick on before you do, like, well, while you're doing your makeup, it's just the best once you apply your lipstick. Like, that's a pretty good tip, guys. Like, I'm telling you, use it. It just has your lips looking so good at the end, like when you apply your lipstick on top and lip liner and all that. But I just have the Kai Brow on, and this is in dark brown. I have been loving this. This is like all I've been using for my brows, and it's the powder, and then I just use the $1 Billion Brow Eyebrow Brush. It was like my first time using it, and it's pretty thick. Like, I don't know if you kind of just have to break the brush in, but I said pretty thick. It's like dense and just kind of like, I don't know, it's not very like flexible. So I'm gonna have to work that in and see. But Kai Brow, I've been loving those. So we're gonna go in with our Chasing Rainbows palette. This is my first time using this palette. It's super cute. I love the little cover it comes with. It's so cute. And it looks like this. There's no mirror. I wish they would have put a mirror in, because you guys know I love with the mirror. It's cute though. It says keep your head in the clouds. And then this, look at that holographic, how cute is it? And that's what it looks like. I will put swatches in, because I'm probably not going to use every single color, so I'll put swatches in either before this. You'll have already seen the swatches, or it'll be after this. And then it has all the names on the back, which is cool. I like that they put them on the back and they put them under here, so pretty cute. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and prime my lids. So I'm going to prime it with, let me get a brush before I do that. Ooh, try this fluffy brush. And these are the Color Festival brushes. I just did a video on these, so you guys could check that out. But I'm just going to put it in, I cannot talk. I'm just gonna put it on there. Dang, this brush is nice. It's really soft. And I'm just gonna kind of put that all over to prime my eyes. And I've been loving the Prolong Wear Paint Pot by MAC, and it's in soft ochre. See, this is what I don't like about palettes that don't have a mirror, because I could totally just do this. It's like killing two birds with one stone, but no, I need a mirror. So let me grab another. Here we go. I'm gonna grab this to do it with, so that I can kind of just blend that out and then clean up my eyebrows a little bit with it. So I'm just gonna, you know what's crazy? I didn't even clean up my eyebrows. I just realized that. I did not clean up my eyebrows. That's one thing I do like about that Kai Brow is, like, I did not have to clean up my eyebrows. I literally just, oh, it's looking patchy. I don't like that. I literally just filled them in. Like, I didn't have to do that. Let me blend this out, and then we're gonna start on this look. Okay, so I got that all blended out. I had to fix up these brows a little bit. My brows are pretty thick because I have not gotten them done in probably months. I'm trying to grow them out a little bit. My husband wants me to grow them out for some reason. I'm like, why? But okay. So I'm growing them out just to see how they look, but I'll probably get them done pretty soon because I'm kind of like, but yeah, so these are the primers that I use. The Milk Hydro mixed with this. It says moisturizer and primer in one. So I think I got this in one of my Ipsy glam bags, I think. So I've been trying it out just to see. I don't know if it was Ipsy or Allure, but there it goes. I swear it would not be a video of mine if I did not drop something, but I felt like it's like peeling, like if you could see that. And it kind of even the same because I primed my lids, and I'm kind of like, I don't like the way that looks. So hopefully the eyeshadow applies fine. I didn't set, see, I'm going in here thinking this is gonna be a mirror, but it's not. See how, like, that's why I love BH Cosmetics, because they always put a mirror, and it's so convenient when they do that. So here we go with this. Okay, so yeah, my eyelids look so patchy, and I don't want to start applying my shadows on until I can get that correct, because I want to give these shadows a fair shot, and I want to be able to like have my opinion on them without it looking patchy already. So I'm just trying to fix this. I'm like, should I just start all over with these? I might just wipe these off and start all over. Okay, so I finally got my eyes where I wanted to. I already started, and I just went in with the colors Woke and Wish List. So I kind of just put those in my crease. And so far the shadows do not have, sorry, I'm like scooting up, guys. So far the shadows don't have much fallout. And I just used my BH number 5 brush, and I've just kind of been just blending that. Just blending that out. And it's looking really good. It's blending nicely. Doesn't have really any fallout from what, yeah, there's like no fallout. It's pretty pigmented. I'm liking the way it's looking so far. So we are going to speed this up, and let's go. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did something a little darker. I did this glitter for my eyeliner, then I put a little bit in my inner eye there. I actually really like these glitters. These glitters I picked up 2 because I'm like, I love these, and they were only like, I think like $2. So I'm like, I'm gonna go stock up on those. But this is what it looked like. And then on my lips, I'm just wearing, it's actually darker than like in the packaging. It's the Flower Beauty, and this is in Dark and Stormy, but it looks darker on than it does just here. I think I'm gonna lighten it just a little bit just to see what it would look like. I actually did just kind of like a nude lip for the day. Oh my gosh, filming this video, you guys, was like a mission in itself. I thought I had filmed everything, and I didn't, so it cut off a little bit, obviously, as you guys will see before this. But yeah, I literally have had my makeup on all day. It's night now, the kids are asleep, so I was like, let me go finish the video. Obviously there's no backdrop because I had cleaned up and everything, so I'm just finishing this video all for you guys. But I loved how the makeup came out. It looked super cute. I was getting compliments. I loved it. It is, again, like a darker look, but it's so pretty. I really, really love this palette. There was not much fallout. It was very, very cute, very pretty, and I feel like there's so many looks you can do. So I definitely will be doing some more looks with this palette because it is cute. I've had it for a while, and I just never got into it because I just have too many palettes, guys. Like, let's just be honest, I got way too many, so it's hard to keep up with all of them, but I really do like this one. And then of course you guys are going to see swatches of all the colors that I used in here, but I pretty much just did Woke, Wish List, Keep Cool, Bring It, and On One. So those are the ones that I have on my eyes, and then I have blurred lines in the inner corner. But yeah, my makeup lasted me really good. I also have a Colourpop blush on, the Makeup Shayla one. I do have that video, the Proceed with Caution palette, and blush is usually the first thing to go on your makeup, and it lasted me. Obviously you could still see it there. I mean, Colourpop has some really good makeup. I'm really, really happy with how this look turned out, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. My lips are feeling a little dry right now since I added this on, but I love this look. It's so pretty. And I've been trying out the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm loving it so far. I mean, my makeup looks really good to think. I don't even know what time it is. It's late, and I've had it on all day, and my makeup still held up really well. So I give this palette a huge thumbs up. This is definitely a must buy for me. It's very affordable. I'll have the price for it right here, but it's a very affordable palette. Colourpop has really good makeup. I've tried plenty of their stuff. Love Colourpop. Colourpop and BH Cosmetics, those are like my go-tos. So I definitely will pick up this palette, you guys. Thanks for watching.